Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you, and let's just dive right in. Oh, and if you're new here, then my name is Sarah, of course. And don't forget to click subscribe, join the Kwak fam. What are you waiting for? Alright, so let's start the video. Okay, so this video is going to be kind of like a two-part series, I guess, or maybe three. I'm not really sure. I haven't really gone that far in my video scheduling it, but I did want to talk about this product because most of us know that these products are already out, and yeah, so I'm just gonna dive right into it. So let me just first say the first product I'm going to talk about is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. And I mean, I've already been using it. If you watch my video, then you know I've already dived into it. If you watch my IG story, you know I've dived into it. If you watch my what is it called, the IGTV, I've already dived into it. So if you follow me on social media, then you'll know I already dived into it. But with that said, let's just talk about this product. So this product, I'm going to actually put on pause and hold because I will talk about this product in the next video, and I'll tell you why. The one I have in my hand right now, it is the defective product, and I want to give it a fair chance when I actually give this a review. So, you know, I can talk about what it looks like. You know, that's what the packaging looks like. A cute pink, yellow, kind of like cloudy looking image, if you know what I mean. Alright, it has a nice big mirror, and it gives you a bunch of colors, and you can tell I already like dived into it because it's not in perfect condition anymore. I've been using it, playing with it, practicing with it, but to give it a fair chance and a good review, I want to use the product that is meant to be reviewed for, because this is a defective palette. So we're gonna hold off on this and talk about this when the new and improved, or when the not defective product comes to me, and then we'll talk about the product. Until then, we're gonna hold off, and I will still do makeup looks with this, but you know, the review will be, you know, in another video. Alright, so then what on earth are we gonna talk about in this video, Sarah? Well, if you know about the Dominique Cosmetic collection, the Lemonade collection, it also comes with 4 beautiful lip gloss colors. Oh, bam. Look at that. Beautiful. And you're thinking, wow, Sarah, they look like great summer colors. Yes, because they are. Alright, so let's dive into the first color. This is honestly, I believe, my favorite out of the 4. I see myself using this and gravitating towards it a lot more than the other colors. So, this is called, let me see, Strawberry Lemonade. And first of all, let's just talk about the packaging. Alright, it's nice, clear. First of all, clear, which I love because you can see what color you're going to be using that day. You say, oh, strawberry lemonade. I already know what it is because it's clear and it's right there. And a nice little square design is different. It's cute. It's not like your typical like circular or like a tube shape lip gloss. It's a nice like square cube shape, so it's nice. Okay, so if you open it up, the applicator looks like this. Alright, it does not come to a point, so I guess if you're looking for like precision, you might not really get that. But I feel like with glosses, you're not really looking for a precise application. You're looking for an overall gloss application. Alright, so because I already have something on my lips, I'm going to show you a swatch on the back of my hand. And of course, my skin tone can be different from yours, so it might look one way on my skin, but a different way on yours. So yeah, keep that in mind. So here is what the strawberry lemonade looks like on my skin. Nice and glossy. You can see that, picking up the light. Glossy. Alright. The next one is this one is the peach tea. Looks like that in the package. And we'll do a quick swatch. So it's the one right on top, if you can see that. Peach tea. Then on top of that, we'll put on some pink lemonade. the names of these lip gloss is super cute. If you follow me on Instagram story, then you already know that I already done these swatches. But if you only follow me on YouTube, then this is for you. Alright, so the one on top of that is called Pink Lemonade. That's what it looks like. You can tell they are, I mean, like, looking at all the tubes, they do look somewhat similar in color, but definitely they are different because, I mean, you can tell by the swatches, they are definitely different. And the last one I'm going to use is called Sweet Tea. And Sweet Tea is more of like a nude color, the one on the very, very top. So, like a light brown nude color. So those are all the swatches. As you can see, I feel like the bottom two are very similar in color, but they are different. I mean, you can tell they are different. Alright, so let's talk about these products. I've been using them pretty much ever since I got them, and number one, lip glosses tend to feel sticky, but these, they don't feel sticky at all. I don't know, maybe it's just me just thinking that it's not. Honestly, I've been wearing them ever since I got them, and they don't feel sticky. Like, I have one right now, and right now I have on the peach tea, which is this. One more time. Put some more on. Like, when I put it on, you don't have like that sticky texture to it. It feels very glossy and juicy. It honestly feels moisturizing. I don't really think of lip glosses to be a moisturizing feeling, but this does feel very moisturizing. So, and the fact that it doesn't feel sticky, yeah, I like it. I'm living for it. What else? I mean, the packaging is cute, so, and it's small enough to put in your purse and take it to work. Oh, and if you need touch-ups, then you can put it in your purse because it is small enough. But speaking of touch-ups, honestly, this lip gloss does last a pretty decently long time, I feel like. So I work at a place where basically I wear a mask, and if I put the mask on, take it off, put the mask on, take it off, then most likely this product will, or any lip product will, you know, come off little by little. But this product, yes, a little bit of it did came off, but for me, wearing it in the morning, like leaving the house like what, 8 a.m. and then coming back home at like 5:30ish, all that, including eating breakfast, lunch, and on my way home, wearing all that mask, taking it off, putting it back on, I still had a pretty decently shiny lip. I mean, I did talk about that in my Snapchat, so again, follow me on my social media, then you'll know that this is information I already talked about. So, yeah. So, does it last long? Yes, it does. But if you need to retouch and reapply, then, you know, by all means, do that. Honestly, there is no real downside to this lip gloss that I can think of. The only one thing that I did not like was the fact that I wish the name of the product was printed on the actual packaging, you know, like maybe like on the lid somewhere or on top, maybe like on the clear plastic thing, or maybe right next to the word lemonade. I don't know, somewhere on the bottle, because the name is written on the bottom right here. And first of all, this name that's written on the bottom is written on the sticker. I mean, I'm sure there's a reason why the name is not written on the packaging, which I would not know what the reason is, but just saying my opinion, if I can pick something different about it, I would like the name to be written on the actual packaging, not just on a sticker in the bottom where it's like some super microscopic tiny little word. Yeah, not feeling that. But other than that, but that's not really a big deal, I guess, you know. Other than that, it is a great lip gloss product. If I had to pick one out of the 4 that I really like, it would be the Strawberry Lemonade. This is my favorite. All the others are my favorite as well, but this is like my favorite. I go to this all the time. It's like my go-to summer look right now, Strawberry Lemonade. Alright, so that is pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, another video will be coming out talking about and reviewing the non-defective palette of the Lemonade palette. But until then, we're going to hold off because I want to give it a fair chance, like I said earlier in the video. But that's it. That's it, you guys. That's all for this video. Alright. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, then please click the like button down below. If you haven't already, click subscribe. And of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!